Ladies and gentlemen, technology plays a vital role in achieving clinical excellence. And for a leading dermatological brand, the path to a glowing future is cutting-edge advancements. I am thrilled to introduce you to Fixderma, a dynamic brand that has carved the synergy of science and skincare. Fixderma boasts of an extensive array of over 175 meticulously crafted formulations. These formulations are purposefully designed to address a multitude of skin concerns. With a strong foothold in the heart of India, Fixderma has also set its sails for international waters, reaching over 30 countries across the globe. As the company grew, digital transformation became an imminent need. Let us see how they partnered with Uneecops for IT modernization and leveraged SAP ERP solution to fix the world's derma. Hi, today I am with Shaili Mehrotra, co-founder and CEO of Fixderma, a leading dermaceutical brand. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
Shaili, Fixderma is doing very interesting work. Right. Tell us more about how it started.
So we started Fixderma in 2010. The idea was to bring in some innovative skincare in the market. So I won't say that skincare was not present in the market. Definitely there were many brands at that time. But the packaging and the quality was more towards the pharmaceutical side. The look and feel and everything. And cosmeceutical was not a trend that time. So I'll say we are kind of pioneers in starting this kind of skincare in the market. As you know, as the name suggests, Fixderma, it means fix your derm, fix your skin. So we started marketing of Fixderma through dermatologists. But reaching out to dermatologists, you need a team, and reaching out pan-India is also, takes time. So we added more verticals to our business. We are right now present in all marketplaces. We are selling through Dermats, of course, pan-India. We are also exporting to more than 30 countries, and we have just started our OTC journey. So yes, managing all the verticals and taking the brand forward, and very highly competitive market it is right now. It's interesting, and we are facing the challenges, but we are doing good.
So Shaili, you started entrepreneurship when it was not a household name as it is today.
Yeah, of course.
And I'm sure, as you mentioned, the journey was difficult. So what is your philosophy? What kept you going?
So actually, this question has been asked many times, and I always answer that you have to be extremely stubborn, to keep going. And there is not like, you make it a point that you have to keep going. Every day you have to motivate yourself, because every day you face challenges in work. One day you think everything is settled and everything is fine, there's a cool wind blowing, but the next morning you come to office, there's a storm. So you have to keep yourself motivated every single day. It's not like one fine day or something like that. So yeah, if you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to be very strong, a very strong person, definitely. Be it you are a male or a female, it doesn't matter. But you have to be a very strong person, because see, whatever stage you achieve, so in the beginning when you start, you keep thinking of certain number in your mind, and then when you achieve that number, you go to a next number, and then you start thinking in 3 digits and then 4 digits. It keeps on going, and you keep struggling for it. So an entrepreneur never sits idle, or is never at peace. So if you are a person like that, yeah,
you're sure to succeed.
Yes, you're sure to succeed then.
Shaili, the beauty is very subjective, right? And today the customer is demanding, as well as they are willing to try new things. So innovation, I'm sure, would be a key point. How do you bring innovation into Fixderma products?
You are absolutely right. Right now the customer is extremely demanding, and thanks to social media, they are very much aware. So if I talk about past, like just few years back, like let's say 4 to 5 years back, sunscreen was still, not heard of a brand, not heard of a product. People were using sunscreen, but when a dermat or a doctor was, insisting on using a sunscreen. But right now, sunscreen has seen a multi-fold, increase in the sales all over India. Awareness is like, at peak right now. People are reading about it. They know about skincare. They understand the product, the ingredients, which suits them, which doesn't suit them. At Fixderma, since we are a derma-centric brand, we keep bringing new products, definitely, because we keep looking at the market demand and all, and we do our research. And since we have our own manufacturing unit, it's easier for us, I'll say, because we can do all the tests and research at our own factory. And and again, then we have doctors who check our products and find the quality okay, and then we go ahead and release it in the market.
So you have a very broad product line and you're serving pan India, right?
Right.
So obviously there is a need to put systems in place, and as you scale, the need becomes all the more.
Definitely.
So how did you reach SAP, and how do you decide that yes, let's look at SAP and start deploying it?
Yeah, so if I talk about just the D2C market, we had many softwares in place, and even in Derma for our CFA sales and all, we had another software in place. So many softwares right now. So we were really thinking of integrating all the systems in one place, and SAP was the right answer, because if you have SAP integrated with all the softwares, you can track so many things, and you can get better and more efficient reports.
Absolutely. So that's a great decision. Now with SAP put in place, I'm sure you'll be seeing certain benefits which you were anticipating earlier. So if you could let us know how the journey has been like and what are the benefits you are seeing.
See, first of all, let me be very honest about it, because implementing SAP was not easy. It is go live right now, but still there is some resistance through some departments, because they were at ease, and they were using their own software, so they were quite proficient in their own way. So getting a new one was, of course, they were not very happy about it. But I really wanted to smoothen the whole process from procurement to products to manufacturing, sales, everything. I wanted to be integrated at one place, so we get the perfect reports. And I'll definitely, it's for the smooth operation. From my point of view, at my stage, I want to see the correct reports.
That's great to hear. How was your experience working with Uneecops team, and would you recommend us?
I'll definitely recommend Uneecop, not for the reason that you are very tech professionals or you are SAP smart people. You are definitely, but from other point of view, you have to understand the workforce at the manufacturing plant. They are not easy, and they don't adapt to situations so easily, because they are used to a certain way of working. So your people, your team was very easy with them, and they try to make them understand that SAP is going to give them benefits. Whatever reports come, it's for their benefit, it's for their good, it's for the company good. So that way, making them understand was the best part which I liked about Uneecop.
It was lovely learning about Fixderma journey, how it started and how it is growing. I wish you all the very best for unbelievable success as times pass. And we are proud of our association and implementing technology for Fixderma. Thank you for giving me your time, Shelly.
Thank you so much.
Lean, innovative, visual, engaging. Uneecops, building live enterprises.